Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Your bedroom was probably the first room you have helped to decorate. Perhaps your parents let you pick out your favorite paint colors for the walls or a duvet cover featuring your favorite. As grown-ups, we can make our bedrooms decor as wild and wonderful we like. Decorating your bedroom is a chance to really reflect your personal style and create a look you absolutely love. Whether you can dream a calm and restful sanctuary or a luxurious hotel-style bedroom has an expert advice on everything you need to know before you make a start. From finding the perfect mattress to choosing a bedroom color schemes, a good place to start is our gallery below our bedroom. A good place to start is our video of bedroom decorating ideas for every style, and with heating bills a hot debate in the house, pardon the pun, why not you invest in a throw? Try a chunky knit or a sumptuous fur and curl up with a cup of tea of an evening. Equally, the double as great extra US when friends inevitably come to crash on your floor. For some extra sparkle, try fairy lights, a favorite among students across the country. These twinkling stars and a comforting glow to any bedroom. Experiment with the different colors, shapes before winding them around bedposts or draping them overnight. For slouchy seating, invest in a beanbag. They are a brilliant seating alternative. They don't take up too much space and can be dragged to friends' rooms for movie nights. Grab one in a color that pops or a print to match your throw. Embrace the cushion, all shapes, sizes, materials and colors. The more the merrier. Not only do they make your bed look cozy and inviting, they also add color and texture to an otherwise bland and small room. Go crazy with patterns and prints. Contrast against your bedding. Try posters collected from travels and university. Promoters, trust us, you will be inundated or chalkboards covered in friends' scribbles equally. Simply pin up postcards, photos and timetables on the walls. Baskets act as stylish storers. They look great in vibrant plastics or with a ribbon tied around wick handles, while serving a functional and practical purpose by hiding all those bits without a home. More can be more when making a room feel snug, so pile them high on floors and desks. Get rid of the fresh paints. Luxury, creativity and power are just a new few words associated with the color purple. So, there's no reason why it wouldn't be a favorite of top designers. Keep scrolling for 10 bedroom decorating ideas that incorporate purple on every end of the spectrum. The show is really the city's own vibrancy playing out, at even when the shades are down. This rich color creates a spectacle in and of itself. It pops the greens of the oil-painted landscapes in the room and the orange outshag in the floor. The beauty of the purple lies in its versatility. Hampton chose both a rug and an antique style for the bed in shades of orange and red. It also added fabric shades in the peachy pink. Another key to decorating with the purple is understanding your tolerance for bold colors and knowing your aesthetic. Given that I have gone whole hog in my own apartment, I feel comfortable placing purple anywhere. Hampton says it's all about what appreciate you all have in the long term. If you are scared of too much, bring purple in through the portables, pillows, lampshades, artworks and accessories. If you impressed this video, please like this video and share to your friends. Also, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.